Traditional irrigation systems are complicated, waste water, and they generally require professional installation that can cost thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll be partnering with Aiper to take a look at the Aiper IrriSense 2. It's the world's first 4-in-1 multi-zone smart irrigation system that completely changes the game when it comes to lawn care. Not only is it super easy to install, but it can also save you up to 40% on water while keeping your lawn healthier than ever. Let's go ahead and get started. To me, the standout feature of the IrriSense 2, and the reason that you might consider upgrading from a traditional irrigation system, is just how incredibly easy this is to use. The main problem with irrigation systems on the market is that they typically require professional installation, trenching across your entire yard, and thousands of dollars in upfront cost. Even the simpler hose and sprinklers require you to manually move them around and remember to turn them on and off. The IrriSense 2 has solved all of these issues with a 15-minute do-it-yourself installation that anyone can do. It's super lightweight and portable, and you can install this in just 15 minutes without any tools or professionals. I'm talking about literally connecting your garden hose, placing the unit in your yard, and you're ready to start watering immediately. There's no lawn damage, no digging trenches, no pre-planning required. Just set it down and go. For someone like me who's not exactly a professional landscaper, this is a major win. Once you've got it installed, the IrriSense 2 features plant-specific multi-zone irrigation. This supports up to 10 irrigation maps with independent schedules and watering depths. That means you can deliver precise care tailored to your lawn, your flower beds, and your shrubs, all with different watering schedules based on what each area actually needs. With the Smart App Control Hub, you can access and control the IrriSense 2 remotely, so whether you're at work or on vacation, you can control your entire irrigation system from your phone. The app includes smart scheduling, mapping, real-time monitoring, and personalized irrigation insights, all from one intuitive interface. To test this out, I set up different zones for my lawn and garden beds. Each zone got its own custom schedule, and I could monitor everything right from the app. It really does make lawn irrigation feel effortless. Another thing that really stands out about the IrriSense 2 is the fact that this is a true 4-in-1 system. What that means is this replaces your traditional irrigation controller, your rotor sprinklers, your electrical valves, and it even has a built-in nutrient feeder. All of that functionality is packed into one smart device, delivering smarter, simpler, and truly all-in-one lawn irrigation. If you've ever dealt with traditional in-ground irrigation systems, you know how complicated they can be. I love the fact that I don't have to deal with multiple systems or worry about coordinating different devices. Everything's controlled through the same application, the same device, and the same smart system. The difference here is night and day. The IrriSense 2 also features a TUV certified design for reliable water pressure stability. This maintains consistent pressure for even efficient watering across all zones, and it's backed by TUV certification for safety and performance, which means you don't have to worry about uneven watering or some areas getting too much water while others don't get enough. With a 6.8 gallon per meter flow rate and 45 psi consistent water pressure, this is able to deliver reliable irrigation across your entire yard. I used to actually have to set up my old sprinkler in a way that I was actually watering my driveway and the road at times so that I could achieve maximum reach and coverage on my yard, which is super wasteful. One thing I really love about the IrriSense 2 is the way that it conserves water while still keeping your lawn healthy. With the IrriSense 2, you can save up to 40% on water compared to traditional irrigation methods, and in a time where water conservation is becoming more and more important, it's a huge benefit both for the environment and your wallet. The IrriSense 2 achieves this through perfect precision with customizable water zones. You can set up multiple zones with independent schedules and depths, delivering plant-specific irrigation for your lawn, flower beds, shrubs, and even trees. That way you're not overwatering areas that don't need it, and you're not underwatering areas that actually do need it. Along with that, the IrriSense 2 features a weather sense response system. It automatically pauses watering during rain and adjusts schedules based on weather forecasts. So if rain's coming, the system knows to hold off on watering. This optimizes water use while keeping your lawn healthy, and it means you never have to think about manually adjusting your watering schedule when the forecast changes. One of my favorite features is the ability to track water consumption and savings right in the app. You can monitor real-time usage, watering duration, and efficiency, and the app provides historical data so you can see exactly how much water you've saved over time. The precision that this system offers is really what sets it apart. Other irrigation systems just blast water across your entire yard without any real intelligence behind it, but the IrriSense 2 knows exactly where to water, when to water, and how much water to deliver, That level of smart automation makes a huge difference. One thing that really impressed me is the Even Rain technology covering 445 square meters of lawn surface. This simulates natural rain for even watering across up to 4,800 square feet. The adaptive respray feature eliminates blind spots and protects your soil and seedlings from being damaged by overly aggressive watering. When you watch the IrriSense 2 in action, you can see how evenly the water is distributed. It's not just spraying water in one direction or creating puddles in certain areas. The coverage is consistent, and every part of your lawn gets the hydration that it needs. With a maximum spray distance of 39 feet, this is able to cover a large area without requiring me to constantly reposition the unit. The IrriSense 2 has a built-in dispenser that releases nutrients automatically with watering once a week. This simplifies lawn feeding without requiring any extra tools or manual application. You just load the nutrients and the system handles the rest. I've been using the IrriSense 2 for a little while now, and I have to say that my lawn looks better than it ever has. The grass is greener, the soil feels healthier, and I'm not dealing with dry patches or overwatered areas anymore. The combination of precise watering, smart scheduling, and nutrient delivery really makes this feel like a professional-grade system. Overall, the Aiper IrriSense 2 is hands down one of the smartest and most efficient irrigation systems that I've ever used. The fact that this is a true 4-in-1 system that replaces your controller, sprinklers, valves, and nutrient feeder is incredible. The 15-minute do-it-yourself installation means anyone can set this up, and the 40% water savings makes this a smart choice both environmentally and financially. If you're looking to level up your lawn care and simplify your irrigation, the Aiper IrriSense 2 is definitely the way to go. I'll be sure to include links in the description so you can find out more information about the Aiper IrriSense 2 and pick one up for yourself. Don't miss out on the world's first 4-in-1 multi-zone smart irrigation system. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.